We begin within the Logix Designer project by creating the parameter using any of the available methods. However, we will select the in-out usage. The data type chosen for the parameter must, as always, match the data type of the tag to which the parameter will be connected. So, in the case wherein we would like to connect to a hardware tag structure, we must use the relevant module-defined data type. Of course, if we simply wanted to connect to a member of the tag structure, we would select the data type that matches that particular member. For example, if we want a parameter that only reads the double integer fault status of a digital input module, we would choose the double integer data type. Notice that once we have created the in-out parameter, the parameter has an error. This is because we haven't connected the parameter. In-out parameters can only have one connection and they must be connected or they will have an error. So, once we have connected the parameter to the desired structure, the error goes away. Notice that we connect in-out parameters in a manner similar to how we connected input and output usage program parameters. One important capability of in-out parameters is that they may be connected to input data, output data, or both at the same time. For example, a motion axis tag structure contains both input data from the motion drive as well as output data going to the motion drive, all within the same structure. Thus, to encapsulate a motion axis structure, we must use the in-out program parameter usage. We also may choose the in-out usage because we need the parameter to update synchronous to the hardware to which it is connected. Input and output parameters update synchronous to the program scan. So, for example, inputs update when the controller begins scanning a program, and they don't update again until the controller gets back around to scanning the program again. This behavior is necessary in many applications. However, there are other applications that require data that is always up to date with the hardware. For example, we may be monitoring the fault status of a hardware module. If we want that status to stay synchronized with the hardware module's requested packet interval, then we will use the in-out usage for the program parameter.